greeting a friend.
Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad. I've been pretty busy with work lately. How about you?
I hear you. Work's been a bit crazy for me too. But I can't complain. How's your family doing?
They're good, thanks for asking. My parents are enjoying their retirement, and my sister just had a baby.
That's awesome. I bet you're excited to be an aunt. How's the little one?
Oh, he's adorable. You know, babies are so cute when they're that tiny. I can't wait to see him again.
It must be fun to spend time with your family. I had a barbecue with my family last weekend. We grilled some burgers and had a great time.
That sounds like a good time. I miss those family gatherings. We used to have them all the time when I was younger.
Yeah, it's essential to make time for those moments. By the way, have you been watching any good shows or movies lately?
I've been binge watching a series on Netflix. It's about detectives solving mysteries in a small town. How about you?
I watched a documentary about marine life last night. It was fascinating to see all those underwater creatures. I love nature documentaries.
That sounds interesting. I should check it out. Speaking of nature, have you been on any hikes recently?
Not as much as I'd like to, but I did go on a short hike last weekend. It was refreshing to be out in the woods, surrounded by trees and fresh air.
Nature has a way of calming your mind. I should plan a hike soon. By the way, how's your new dog?
He's doing great. I adopted him from the shelter a couple of months ago. He's become such a loyal and loving companion.
That's wonderful. Dogs have a special place in our hearts. I have a cat, and she's my little buddy.
Pets bring so much joy, don't they? You know, I'm thinking about taking a short vacation soon, maybe to the beach. I need a break from work.
A beach vacation sounds fantastic. I could use one too. We should plan a trip together sometime. It's been ages since we traveled together.
That's a brilliant idea. Let's start looking for some beach destinations. It'll be a blast to hang out and relax by the sea.
Absolutely. And you know what? We should invite some of our other friends to join us as well. The more, the merrier.
Great idea. We'll have a memorable time, and it'll be a chance to reconnect with everyone.
I can't wait for that. But for now, let's focus on our daily grind and look forward to our exciting plans.
Agreed. We'll get through the work week and then start planning our beach adventure. In the meantime, we should catch up more often.
Definitely. It's always great talking to you. Friends like you make everything better.
You too. Thanks for being an awesome friend. Let's talk again soon.
Of course, see you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.